you today? Well, I made this video just want to share what I've got from Farmasi. So we're gonna do unboxing later, but before that, I will tell you a little bit about Farmasi. Well, before I didn't know about it, I just know that Farmasi is like a place that where you can buy your like medicine, like those. But Farmasi is spelled like this. Pharmacy that I'm gonna share is Farmasi, which is Farma Pharmacy SI Pharmacy. So it sounds like that. Farmasi. Farmasi is an international beauty and personal care, manufacturing, retailer, or direct selling company in beauty, personal care, household, what else? Wellness and accessories. So it was founded by Dr. C. Tuna from Turkey. Well, one thing that highlight for me is if you like me that want to save and at the same time like makeups, fragrance, household stuff or wellness and a lot more. Well, and you like to save and stay on a budget while you get a quality that you like, well, Farmasi is for you. And plus extra is Farmasi is not only stay you in a budget, it's also non-toxic. All their product is non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, no animal tested, what else? Gluten-free, and no artificial colors on their product. So before, I already heard this kind of stuff before, but mostly those things that says non-toxic, vegan, gluten-free, they kind of a little bit expensive. But my friend shared me about Farmasi, and she explained some of it. She explained about Farmasi, and I just noticed that, oh, why not to try this product, because yeah, I'm always on the budget and I want at the same time it's high quality. Well, without further ado, let's check, or I'll show you the stuff that I got from them. So here are the bags that you're gonna get if you want to be a beauty influencer. You can use it personal or you can sell it too, but for now, for me, I just using it for personal. So but if you watch this video and you're interested about this product, I'll put my link to my shop in the description below so you can check it out. Okay, so this is the starter kit. It says starter kit. All right, so inside of this you're gonna have a lot of brochures. So again, about Dr. Tuna, it says skincare guide. So any skin type, you can check on this one. Brochures for makeup line. There's makeup line. If they have, it's about being a beauty influencer. And then I have some like small bags, like maybe if you wanna give some makeup gifts to your friends, that you can use this one, or someone order from you, so you can put right here and give it away, you know, 2 of them. And then I have these are like sample sizes, like a travel sizes, something like that they call it. So this is like all some of their baby cream products, and they have like your color here. Like they have light, medium, a light to medium, medium, and medium to dark. So it's like primer. So again, then they have this Be-Fit moisturizer. So again, a moisturizer. They have like this light. Oh, they have like medium and dark. Okay, it is for full coverage for soft orange, light ivory, warm honey, and rich honey. They have this CC cream, I think. So color correction, you have this sample size, light to medium, medium to dark. Color correction. Aside of those, BB cream, camera ready, blah blah. So they give me this too. Those are lipstick. The small size lipstick, sample lipstick that I'm gonna show you what. I don't put any makeup, so you can tell, dry and oily. So now we're just gonna try this lipstick. What they're gonna look if we're gonna apply this to our lips. Okay, first, number 103, Dusty Rose. This is so light, look. Feels like none. Similar with Hot Tahiti, this one, but it's more light, like lighter version, and it's more like lip gloss kind of thing, but they have like really light color of Hot Tahiti. This is what the Dusty Rose look like. Like if in my camera look like I have like this, I don't know, this camera don't give it justice, but here it's look like lighter version of Hot Tahiti, and it's like kind of lip gloss on it. So okay, we're gonna apply a little more so you can see it. Yeah, see how many times I put this, how many stroke I had here. So here too. It's just so light, but I like it. It's like a glossy one and have a little color on it. All right, we are done. We are done unboxing from Farmasi products. So if you like this video and if you want to learn more about Farmasi, I put my description below. I put my link here. You go check to my shop. And if you have any questions about the products. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Again, if you have questions, I'll put the description my shop to see all our products or all the Farmasi offers. Alright, thank you so much and you have a blessed day ahead. Bye.